Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Android 14 device. So, if you have the Google Lens feature on your device, it's very simple. We need to start from opening the Photos app and now look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one. And now just click on the Google Lens icon. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are looking for similar images in the Google. That's it. That was a method if you have the Google Lens feature. If not, open the web browser, go to the google.com, and now it's very important step, and remember of that, click on the three dot icon and switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the small camera icon, choose upload a file, add a permission, and select the photo like before. Click allow, select it again and tap on the done. And as you can see, the process starts. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.